Guys, what's up? So today is my FST7 shoulder workout. So the first exercise is I started with the dumbbell shoulder press, and this is one of my favorite exercise. I love doing this exercise, and during this exercise I try to bring my shoulder almost parallel to the floor to get the maximum tension and effect. I don't go too much low because of my shoulder problems. Well, some people there are lots of people who go all the way down because that makes them because they like to go all the way down. It gives more tension to them, but I like bringing my shoulders or that parallel to the floor, and that gives me the maximum effect. So dumbbell shoulder press is one of, and I did this exercise for 3 sets and of around like 8 to 12 repetitions. After that the next exercise that I did was a front plate raise. Okay, usually I used to do with dumbbell or cable front raises, but this time I went for a plate. What is the difference between all the 3 of these? So what I personally think is that cables are little more good in doing the front raises, because it gives a complete tension, like the tension you are getting, it will be uniform throughout as you go up, as you do the exercise. Doing the front plate raises, you have to make sure that you don't swing your body too much when you're lifting heavy. There may be a tendency that you may swing your bodies, so you make sure that you don't do that, and make sure that your shoulders are proper, and try to bend your elbows when you're doing this exercise, though that you don't want your elbows to be stiff and stiff. So a slight bend is always good to when you're doing this exercise, and I did this for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Next I did is a seated lateral raise, and I have to admit, guys, that for me, like, I think that seated lateral raise are much more better than standing lateral raise, because when you're doing standing lateral raise, like, I have seen many of the guys in the gym who just swings their hands when they do this lateral raises. I don't know why, but they just swing. They just find it very hard to lift the weights up. So what they do is, for easy method, they just use their body to swing, not just their shoulders. So well, I think that for all those people, do seated lateral raise, because you almost have your back straight, and you won't be able to swing your body that too much. So I think that seated lateral raise are really better if you think that you are swinging too much when you're doing standing, and make sure that you do this properly in a way that you're getting proper extension of the arms, and your shoulders are like good, and you can have a slight bend as in the elbows. You don't want to have a straight hands, so you can have a slight elbow. And I did this for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. So the final exercise for my shoulder is bent over lateral raises, and I want to do this on a cable bent over, but the machine was not proper, so I had to settle it for the dumbbells. The reason why I love cables, as I said before, as it gives a uniform range of motion throughout the exercise, and this particular exercise can really activate your rear delts to give those round and shaped shoulders. I love doing this exercise, and when you're doing this exercise, you have to make sure that you don't extend. There may be a tendency to lift your body too much, so you don't want that to happen, because you're doing for the rear delts and not for the front delts. So make sure that doesn't happen. And this is my last exercise, so I did this for 7 sets of I did this in a range of 12 to 15, not 8 to 12. I did for 12 to 15 reps. So after my shoulders, I move on to traps, and I did this only one exercise, and that is the dumbbell shrug. And sorry guys, I couldn't record it properly, because like I couldn't place the camera at the right position to get this proper video. And the reason why I couldn't make this a big, like, couldn't get a full-length video, because my camera fell off, and it almost, like, the parts were broken, and I couldn't record it properly. So this were the only footage that I got, and this is my only workout. So what I did is, I did this for 7 sets, and I did heavy sets of rep ranges of about 12 to 15, So this is my trap workout. This concludes my shoulders and traps workout. So if you guys really like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you soon in the next video. Bye.